In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add collaborators and team members to your Framer project, aligning everyone for seamless coordination and better project management. First things first, let's discuss how to add collaborators. Begin by accessing the desired Framer project that you intend to share with your colleagues. Once you're inside your project, look into the top right corner of your editor interface. Here, you will notice an Invite button. Go ahead and give it a click. A pop-up menu will promptly appear in response to your action. This pop-up menu includes fields where you are required to input necessary details. Among these is a field for an email address. Enter the email address of the person whom you're looking to engage as a collaborator in your project. Directly next to the email field, a drop-down menu awaits your attention. The purpose of this drop-down menu is to assign a role to your new collaborator. You've got two options to select from: editor and viewer. If the individual has the responsibility to make changes and contribute actively to the project, make them an editor. However, if they are involved in an observatory or supervisory role, allowing them only to view and comment on the project, assign them the viewer status. Upon successfully allocating the desired role, click Send Invite to finalize the process of adding a new collaborator. Moving on, let's now shed some light on how to add team members to your Framer workspace. For this, you will not require access inside a project. Simply open your Framer dashboard to begin this process. Here, you should see your team's workspace listed on the left-hand sidebar. Click on your team to select it. Following your selection, a number of options would appear. One of these options reads Settings. Click on it to access and manage the settings for your selected team. Inside the settings, locate and click on the Invite Member button, which is usually situated in the top right corner of your screen. Now, similar to what we did while adding collaborators, enter the email address of the person you wish to add as a member of your team. Following this, you are now required to assign them a role. Once again, choices include editor or admin. An editor can create and edit team projects, while an admin possesses enhanced capabilities including managing team settings, billing, and team members. Upon successfully assigning the role, finalize the process by clicking the Send Invite button. Congratulations, you have now learned to add collaborators and team members on your Framer project. Having a well-coordinated team is key to successful project management, and with this tutorial, you're already one step ahead.